Viking's new API 676 compliant pump. Viking Pump is proud to announce the availability of the 676 Palladium series and the Universal 682 series, engineered to API 676 design standards. The 676 Palladium is the industry's first fully API 676 compliant internal gear pump. Capacity to 1,600 GPM. Pressure to 200 psi, higher pressures with factory approval. Viscosity 28 to 2 million SSU with special construction. Temperature -20 atf to +650 atf with special construction. Compliance to API 676 specification reduces the risk of emissions, leakage, corrosion, and unplanned downtime. Viking has 3 levels of API compliance through the following pump options. Universal Series partially compliant, 4223A divided by 4323A. Universal 682 partially compliant with API 682 seal, 4223A divided by 4323A. 676 Palladium fully compliant pump. No exceptions, 4223AX divided by 4323AX. The 676 Palladium solution includes both mandatory and optional operational quality and functional testing. We also have full engineering documentation, testing, and project management support available.